Hello YouTube, this is Rakesh using Asus Zenfone 4 Android 5.0. In Lollipop, you will find emergency alerts frequently. You'll see them on the screens very frequently. How to turn them off on any Android mobile? Go to Messaging app, and in Messaging, you'll find three little boxes on the right top of the app. Click on them, and in them go to Settings. After that, you'll find General Settings. Click on General Settings. Scroll down. You'll find SMS Cell Broadcast. Choose that. And in SMS Cell Broadcast, you'll find Area Info channel, which you have to disable. And done. You'll not have any more emergency alerts. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.